Jelberg, Swedish, born 24 October 1989, better known as PewDiePie/PewDiePie, is a Swedish YouTuber known for his Let's Play videos and comedic formatted videos and shows. Jelberg's popularity on YouTube and extensive media coverage have made him one of the most noted online personalities and content creators. He has been portrayed in the media as a figurehead for YouTube, especially in the genre of gaming. YouTuber MrBeast, whose real name is Jimmy Donaldson, has beaten PewDiePie Felix Jelberg to become the world's most subscribed person on the platform.